Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you all how to switch back to personal account on Instagram after you have converted into business account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Instagram app will be welcomed in the home page. In the home page below, you'll be able to see a search icon, a plus icon, and so on. Here you'll also be able to see your profile icon, which you'll have to tap on. After tapping on your profile icon on the top right corner, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. Tap on it. After that, here you'll be able to see settings, schedule contents, insights, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you'll be able to see account centers, and below that you'll be able to see Instagram settings, where you'll have listed many options such as follow and invite friends, notifications, business, and so on. Here, as you can see, my Instagram account is a business account. So to change that, here I will be tapping on the option preference that is located right between help and suggested content. After tapping on preference, you'll be able to see save, close friends, account status, and many more. Scroll down and you'll be able to see switch account type written in blue letters. Here you'll have to tap on the switch account type. After that, here you can see you can either choose to switch your account into personal account or a creator account. Here tap on the switch to personal account option. After that, here you'll be said, are you sure about switching your account into personal account? And here you'll also be said that all the insights of your in-app will be turned off and the contents including your ads will be permanently removed. If you're sure about switching your Instagram account into personal account, then tap on switch to personal account. You'll have to wait for some time. And as you can see, you have successfully switched your Instagram account into personal account. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to switch back to personal account in your Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.